In this video, I'll show you how you can make Adobe your default app to open any document in PDF format. So you have here a PDF. As you can see, whenever I try to open it, I have to choose how I want to open this file. If you open here under default app, you find that there is no way that you can add Adobe as your default programs to open all PDF documents. So for us to make it our default program, just click on the PDF file that you want to open. And so once you have clicked it here, tick this functionality that says always use this app to open PDF file. And once you have done that, select OK. Now from here you can see there was a shakeup, and therefore all PDF documents on this computer will automatically be opened with Adobe wherever I click on them. So we can go ahead and try any other PDF document. If I try to open any document, as you can see here, if I try to open now any document, it will automatically open without having to select the default app or the app I want to open with it. So by following those few steps, you can be able to set Adobe Reader as your default app to open all PDF programs on your computer. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.